Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. This is going to be a very quick video. This week is just like last week, except the readings are harder. Bartholomew may be the hardest reading of the semester, which means you need extra time to do it. It's going to take you, you're either going to break it into pieces or you're going to read it straight through, but it's going to take you like an hour. You have two options for your discussion forum for Bartholomew. You don't have to answer both these sets of questions. This is the traditional one. I'd open them both to see which questions you like best. So you could look at this one and go, hey, do I want to answer that one? Or I could go over to this alternative question set, which I just added today, that I think might make it more personal and more fun, but that's up to you. You decide which one you're going to answer and do that. So Bartholomew is challenging. Elbow is not. Let's get back to our spot. Bartholomew, challenging. Elbow isn't a short read, but he's an easy read. He's writing directly to you. Bartholomew is writing to other English instructors, PhDs. He has some language to work on when you read him. Elbow is writing largely to the student. So Elbow, probably a 35, 45-minute read when you do your forums. You have synthesis paragraphs again. For your synthesis paragraphs, you can use anybody that we've had so far. So you can use Bartholomew and Elbow if you want to. You can use Bartholomew and Delpit if you want to. You can use Delpit and Hooks from before. Anybody that we've read so far, you can use. The goal is just like before. I've moved it here. Again, another link to the synthesis paragraph formula. At least one of your paragraphs has to adhere to this formula somewhat. You need to start with an idea. You need to put two or more sources with their quotes in the same paragraph. What your other paragraph has in it is up to you, but at least one of your paragraphs has to have two sources in order for you to get any credit this week. I just got done reading your first set of synthesis paragraphs. Very happy with them, of the people that submitted. 9 people chose not to submit in W01. That means they have a 20% per 24-hour late fee. So if it's not in by 11 p.m. on Sunday night, it goes to 40%. If it's not in by 11 p.m. on Monday night, it's a 60% off. You really need to look at those. Let's see what else I can tell you. I gave everybody the first round. I gave 1 B-, but they didn't quote it all. I gave everybody else at least an A- that turned it in on time with a lot of feedback. You wouldn't get the same grade if you did the same thing again. But I wanted, it was a way for us to start talking back and forth. So get your paragraphs done. Get your Bartholomew up. Get your Elbow up. Because you can do those now. You can do them Sunday. You can do them Monday. You can get them posted immediately. Write your synthesis paragraphs. Several of you sent them to me last week, last Thursday, last Friday. This week, if you can send them to me Wednesday or Thursday, I have a funeral probably on Friday. If you can send them to me, I can get you feedback. So please, please, please get your paragraphs done and turned in to me on time by next Saturday, 1/27, 11 p.m. Send them to me ahead of time if you want feedback. Make sure that you look at this. It's a link to that expected formula. And by all means, there's 2 more samples up here talking about what should be in a synthesis paragraph. But check them out, especially this one. It uses these authors specifically from this class with this prompt. So it'd be great if you took a look at them. All right. Hope that helps. Text me. Email me. Get a hold of me. Let me know how I can help. If you didn't turn your assignments in on time so far, your synthesis paragraphs one, send me an email when you do so I can jump on and give you feedback to help you with this week's. I'm here. Talk to you soon.